Your beauty enchants them. They have fallen for you. Your essence is magical, otherworldly. They've never come across a person like you before. They feel seen. They feel heard. They get lost in you. Lost in your aura, your magic, your essence. Your whole being is spellbinding to this individual. They're very, very attracted to you. They are attracted to you on a soul level. You penetrate their heart. They've never experienced this type of feeling before. In the past, they were fearful of it. And now they have surrendered. They find you so mystical, like a unicorn, healing, magical, beautiful, both inwardly and outwardly. There's something about the way that you move, the way that you walk, the way you're so free-spirited, the way you're so positive, happy, the way you're focused on self, focused on your goals, focused on your life. It's truly inspiring to this individual. You give this individual hope that dreams do really come true. This person manifested you in. Whether or not they will admit it to themselves, it's true. You have the qualities and attributes that they've looked for in a person. And to this individual, you seem too good to be true. You have an expensive energy that they want to invest in. They find themselves trying to find out information about you online, staring at your picture, reading up things on Google to see what this actual connection means. Learning about soulmates. They feel like they met you in a past life. They feel like you are their match. They see you as a powerful leader, someone that has strength but heart, someone that matches their energy for once. Because in the past, this individual was fearful to branch out into the unknown. They were trapped in worry and hurt and pain, not freeing themselves from being stagnant, settling for what they didn't want, whilst being unhappy. But they thought that they deserved the spot that they were in. They wanted to break free, but they didn't know how to. That was until they met you. You have ignited this person. You have reawakened this person. This person feels a newfound zest for life. It's like they want to accomplish more because of you. Seeing you go out there, living your dreams really makes this person want to live out their dreams also. You excite this individual. This person sees you as pure fire. Your energy awakens this person. They get so excited whenever they are around you, whenever they are near you. They just feel as if they just want to be with you all the time. No one has made this person feel this way before. This person feels like your beauty, brains. They feel like you're everything, and they see how others try to compete for your attention, and it makes them want you more. For some of you, yeah, it makes them uncomfortable to the point where they can be quite possessive over you, but quite subtly. They're not overt with their possessiveness because they don't want to scare you away. Part of them likes the fact that others find you attractive too, but there's a fear of what if you are attracted to these others also. They want to reach out, and sometimes they hold themselves back because they feel like, what if I'm not intelligent enough? What if they find my conversation boring? What if I make a spelling mistake? And so they may show you how they care through friendly gestures. What they really want is to romance you, take you out on a date, connect with you some more. They respect you. They see you as high caliber because you are. They are falling in love with you. This love feels like a once in a lifetime love. They've experienced love before when they were much younger, but this love is a little bit different. It feels like a first love and a forever love all in one. Whenever this person hears certain songs, it reminds them of you. They feel you even when you're not around. They think about you all the time. It's constant. They've never met anyone so amazing. They've never seen anyone so beautiful, so handsome, so gorgeous in their life. And not just on the exterior, within. They find you so talented, creative, fun-loving, healing, cute, compassionate, caring. They've never met anyone like you. And so this person is leaving their woes and sorrow behind. They're working on stabilizing themselves. In the past, for some of you, this person lost a huge part of their life. It could have been a relationship, could have been a marriage, could have been someone that they felt like they were going to marry. And it took them a long time to heal from this. That was until they met you. Now they're thinking of a future. Now they're thinking of the possibilities. But there's something about this connection that makes this person feel like they either have to protect it or they have to hide it. You know, this individual is in two minds. They may feel like they're not in a financial position yet to invest, or they may feel as if they will upset others if they tell others that they have feelings for you. This person is in a lot of fear. They are fearing the unknown. What if it's too good to be true? They want to continue to collaborate with you. They want to go out with you. Some of you have gone out with this person and they've really enjoyed it. They feel like you're a vibe. They want to move away from this friendship. They want to put an end to being in the friend zone, whether that was coming from your side or theirs. They are transforming, they are healing. They are stepping into their power. They are realizing that they are deserving of love. Some of you have ended this actual connection because you just felt like this person wasn't giving you much. You weren't working with much. And it took for you to leave them for them to understand what this actual connection meant. You didn't force, you didn't chase. And this helped this individual to go within and connect with themselves and stop resisting what this actual connection means. Because this connection is potent. Some of you could have like a Pluto conjuncting moon, or Pluto trining your moon type connection, or a Mars conjuncting Pluto connection, or a Neptune conjuncting Sun connection. This connection is very magical, mystical. It can be intense. You know, this person does get obsessive thoughts about you, and you may get obsessive thoughts about them. And maybe in the past, when you had these obsessive thoughts about each other, it became very toxic because you were both arguing, because you were both fearing that you will lose the other. And what you feared became a reality because you were pushing each other away. You were creating an energy of unattractiveness within the both of you, displaying your fears and throwing it in each other's faces. And the very thing that you feared happened. But through that separation, you then healed. You then went within. Instead of projecting that fear onto each other, you worked through your fears. You integrated your emotions without blaming the other and expecting them to put pieces together that they didn't understand that they had to do. It was unfair on the both of you. And the reason why you were both in that energy is because you both loved each other. And you were scared of losing the connection. But this person wants to continue to heal this connection, continue to heal themselves. They are in love with you. It's real. It's not one-sided. And it took for them to maybe lose you, or for them to transform from a situation that may have ended for some of you, for them to realize this. Because there has been some sort of ending with this individual, an ending of an old way of being. Maybe they have ended being in denial. Maybe they have worked through why they were resistant to move towards you. It could have been due to them being insecure, them not feeling good enough. They've worked through that. And they understand that a love like you is hard to find, because your energy is very healing. This person finds you to be extremely healing, compassionate, loving, and genuine. You're not wearing a mask. And they've been hurt before, and you've been hurt before. And that's why they gave up on love a long time ago, because they felt like there's no one out there that's going to love as deeply as I do. That was until they met you. You are a rare beauty to this individual. And judging from this card, Ace of Cups, you are extremely beautiful. Because you radiate self-love. And your attractiveness makes this person want you more. The fact that you have a lot of self-respect makes this person respect you. The fact that you are very poised and charming, the way you interact with others, the way you care about yourself, the way you pour into yourself, makes this person want to pour into you. They can sit and stare at your face all day because they feel like you are an earth angel, a magical being, someone that's so beautiful. You enchant this person. It's like you put a spell on them just by being the amazing, magnificent you.